can't even imagine thinking about not being a member, to be honest with you.
That's a great answer.
First of all, the museum is so interactive and so engaging. It's not what I would normally think of. If someone would say Glass Museum to me, I just would not think of this experience, because it really is so touchable and you're drawn into every exhibit. The annual exhibits are really amazing and so different. I would say everybody has to come and visit, experience it, become a member so that you can enjoy interacting with everybody here, the curators, the glass blowers. It really just does become a family. And that might sound a little silly, but it becomes a very engaging experience.
Join our museum member community to enjoy free admission and exclusive event invites, connect with curators and artists, and to support arts and sciences. Give the gift of membership, and your friends and family will enjoy an entire year of amazing experiences at the Corning Museum of Glass.